Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Okay, how are you today?
I'm fine.
Today we have a short interview about IDN school. So there are here several questions and please answer carefully. Okay, let's start. Number one, please tell about yourself.
My name is Hafuza Adli Ahza, and you can call me Hafuza. And usually, and I'm ninth grade now, and I am in 9C class. So my hobbies is sport like futsal, basketball, and other hobby. And my other hobbies is like play games, like play many games like Minecraft and football games and others. And my dream is to be a programmer, and my hobby is be network engineering. So that's why later I will choose TKJ at IDN Senior High School. So yeah.
Okay, next, do you ever become the trainer or teacher, and where is it?
In Yes, I have. I'm in four school. First is in Gria Sunnah with IDN, and in my friend school, in school my friend, and the third is my school, and the last is that's my school also. So my experience when I teaching with my friend, many students don't playing with his friend and talking, but there is someone hear us, respect us about what we are teaching about IT, and I'm I'm me and my friends teaching about Scratch, about Figma, poster design, and Woodbox there is, and so yeah, that's game and design. And when I'm in school, when I teaching in my friend's school, I'm what stay at my friend home 4 days, my at home. So and then yeah, that's the experience when I teaching. So yeah, that's for the teaching.
Okay, how much money do you get from the project?
I never get money from my project, from teaching, from competition. I never get money, but I get experience. I when I teaching, I just teach and then go back to home, and I never get paid from the school and from the IDN working school. So, but uh, yeah, it's okay for me. But I get experience from teaching. I get experience from my competition, and many I get experience from that. So yeah,
Okay, next, what is your opinion about IDN school?
my opinion about IDN school. Uh, IDN, uh, IDN is good. I think for the what facilitas IDN maybe not uh, not really good, but for the material for IT, dunia and English maybe I think the IDN is good for the material for the learning and for the yes, but for the what fasilitas maybe I think need more again. So IDN but good, and for the senior high school I think more good from junior high school, because there is so many even go to Google Office, go to many good place from senior high school, and then there is in 12th grade there is PKL, and then for the what for the uh, for the option at senior high school there is 3 TKJ, network engineering, RPL, and design multimedia, multimedia. And for senior junior high school, same like many so many even that start from 7th grade. There is many even, and 8th grade there is like Mission Impossible. Mission Impossible, that is like you try how to sell the things, then with the high price. That's not normal, but how can you get the money from that? And then from Edures you can start from ADN, go to Jakarta, and then go back to start from ADN and then to Jakarta using 100 rupiah that you must scan, and then you get a model from IDN like the water, and then you can sell that. So that's why you can that's for it or other for back to using transportation, public transportation. And then so yeah, then good even like teaching us about our mental for our plan, in the plan, and then so good lah for IDN. That's opinion me for IDN.
Okay, next, what is the most interesting experience during learning at IDN school?
My good experience at IDN is maybe like that's the event. Maybe the event is Edures that like I said before, because Edures so fun when we from IDN to go to Jakarta, and then we at Jakarta you can see many things about IDN, and then we enter the Monas, and then we learn about how can we from connection with other people and outside people, how we can so many we can I get learn about the Edures, and then there is in Edures not only like that, there is the mission, maybe there is 5 or how many posts, I don't know, I forgot, and then every post there is a mission, like there is talking with people from other country like that, so that will be make our mental become, so yeah, that's
Okay, thank you so much for Hafizah. And the end of interview. Let's say Hamdalah together.
alhamdulillah.
Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam. Oke. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Alhamdulillah wa nasta'inuhu wa nastaghfiruh wa na'udzu billahi min syururi anfusina wa min sayyiati a'malina may yahdihillahu fala mudilla lahu wa may yudlil fala hadiya lahu asyhadu an la ilaha illallah wa asyhadu anna muhammadan rasulullah amma ba'd. Okay, today I wanna show my favorite project from 7th grade until 9th grade. Okay, from 7th grade there is I make my favorite project first from game, that is Pac-Man, and I make this game Pac-Man software from scratch. So as you know, from scratch, and then how play this Pac-Man. This Pac-Man, when we start, when we click this green flag, and then the Pac-Man will show, and then the enemy Sam will show, and then you must get the point until finish all, and then don't you cannot touch the enemy. So but you have 3 life, so if you get touch the enemy, you can repeat again, so your life will minus 3 become 2, and then until maybe you die if you get 3 times the enemy. So that's why, so that's how to play this game Pac-Man I make by myself. So the second favorite project is website. So this is my first website that is I make this first with template. So the template is of my blog, and then I'm using Elementor. So yeah, this website for my project, and then this is so many project, IT, English, dunia, and so many. So that's why I can put in my website. So this is my.id. So this website I make in semester 2. So there is profile, my project, and then my video have I make it. So there is gallery, my achievement, and my portfolio. So this is my first website, my personal website. Okay, next, Egret project from Egret. The first there is 3D website. 3D website. There is I just make one that is like this 3D website. I make with two software. First, for the UI, I made with Figma and Spline. Spline for Spline for I make 3D like the rocket and then the stone, the flag and other. So for other like this the text and other I make with Figma. So I combine become 3D website. So yeah, this is my 3D website, and I make this maybe 1 until 2 weeks. Maybe one week, just 1 week, and that's yeah. So the second is image manipulation. I make this from software Spline, but before I want to Photopea. Before I want make with Photopea, before we want to make image manipulation with Photoshop, but you have subscribe Photoshop or we must using money, so that's why we change with Photopea. Photopea, the feature same with Photoshop, but there is different. Maybe need more feature, not feature not many like Photoshop. So it's okay, but still same. I make this with there is 3 objects: the background, background like, and then this animal. 4 objects: background like, animal, mountain, and cloud, like this. So I combine all become image manipulation with Photopea. So yeah, that's my second project, my second favorite project from. The third is from IoT. That is from IoT many like remote control, land follower, so many. And but my favorite is smart trash. Why? Because smart trash you can open the trash automatic for open the trash automatic, and I make it this using the software using KBID from. So yeah, maybe I make it this project with group, not individual, but this is I make this project but group. So yeah. Next, 9 grade. From 9 grade there is 3 favorite project also same like before 7th grade and 8th grade. First, my favorite project from 9th grade that is radio online. What is radio online? Radio online, you can play is this application, and then the sheikh will the voice sheikh, that is the voice sheikh. So I make this maybe 1 week, and I made by Kodular. So yeah, this is radio online. The next is calculator app. This is same I made by Kodular, the software Kodular, but this is the last project from Kodular. The Kodular I made name card, first name card, and then radio online and other, but from Kodular this is the last calculate app. And I made this 2 weeks. So this is little hard, the calculator. So the normal calculator just can calculate the number like one number, just number. But this is I add feature like you can calculate square, circle, parallelogram, rhombus, trapezium, and triangles. So this so hard, little hard, and I did this 2 weeks. So yeah, and then the last is Android Studios Bitaqwa app screen one. I just make the screen one because yeah, we not finish this project. So yeah. Okay, I think thank you for watching this video. I'm sorry if there is mistake. I think that's all for me. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Okay, today I'm gonna show to you about United States of America or USA. What is USA? United States of America is oldest federation in the world that still exists until now. And USA is the country constitutional republic and democracy with majority rule and by minority rights by law, protect by law. Okay, the next about this flag. You know this flag, USA. This flag designed by junior high school student. The name is G. Hef in 1985 when he was still in junior high school, and then he designed this flag, and then but the teacher give him score B, but and then his design get for USA country. So until now USA using this design for flag. That's start from this from junior high school study. Next is there is the rich people in the world from USA. The name is Elon Musk. Elon Musk or Elon Reeve Musk is a businessman, inventor, and business figure from United States or USA, and he is the founder, CTO, and CEO, and production Tesla, and he now make the new project that is SpaceX, that's for rocket, and Elon Musk, he want to develop new things that is cheap for cheap in the brain people. So I don't know, maybe chip can read the brain people, and Elon Musk is the number one rich person in the world. Next, from United States of America or USA, there is the second. There is university in the second place in the world. For the first, there is Oxford University, that is from United Kingdom or English, and England. English, and Harvard. Harvard is the number in the second place in this world. So yeah, that's maybe that's about Harvard College from United States University. And the next is famous traditional food from USA. I just put 4 food, that is hamburger, hot dog, pancake, and apple pie. Okay, I will explain one by one. Hamburger is there are 2 bread, and then in the middle there is a meat and vegetable, and maybe there can add sauce, mayonnaise or cheese and onions maybe, and then so yeah, that's hamburger. And next is hot dog. Hot dog is what sausage. Sausage is cooked or smoked, and the sausage put in the middle of the bread, and then become hot dog. So that you can add vegetable or sauce. And then next is the traditional food from USA is pancake. There's pancake is cake, and this food made from flour, chicken egg, and sugar and milk. And people and American people usually eat this using honey and fruit, maybe, and maybe can using ice cream or other. So next is apple pie. apple pie is apple, and then apple change become cake, and then yeah, this is the one of traditional food from America. And then next is the good place from United States that I put 4 place, that is New York, San Francisco, Los Angeles, and Seattle. And I will show to you about fact about New York. New York is the old name, first name New York, the name is Amsterdam, and then people change become New York. I don't know in year, and then New York there are 8 million people live in New York. Next is San Francisco. San Francisco is fact about San Francisco is the most expensive city in this world, and this country and for rent apartment you can pay 3,200 US dollar, or in rupiah is 50 juta per month. And then San Francisco San Francisco is the city keep cool when summer, because in June and August that's summer, but the temperature is 12 until 20 derajat Celsius. That's San Francisco. And then the next is Los Angeles. Los Angeles is the creative city in this world, because Los Angeles many their actor, animator, and Hollywood come from Los Angeles. And then the last is Seattle. Okay, maybe that's all from me. I'm sorry if there are mistake. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi